such a pretty day today. I'm so happy. It feels like spring, like 100%, and it's just putting me in such a good mood. Welcome to today's video. We have a chicken that likes to go out random spots in our woods and lay eggs, so every now and again we have to do a Easter egg hunt, is what we like to call it, where we go try to find the eggs that she's laid. So that's what we're doing now, stomping through the woods trying to find the eggs. Walk on our back road. He literally follows with us. When we walk like a mile up the road, he follows with us. It's hilarious. This is normally where she lays them at. Mama. And there's none there.
Mama.
So maybe
Mama.
She didn't lay any.
Hey Mama, how about
I don't know.
Huh?
We're gonna check a little bit more. It's so pretty back here. Look.
Huh?
This video is going to be a little bit everywhere. I filmed the intro yesterday and filmed a couple clips from yesterday, but now it's Friday and I'm eating tacos. I just filmed a get ready with me that's going to be put here on YouTube. You should see the tripod setup I have going on right now.
What? Mama!
It's hilarious.
Mama! Why got that in there?
So it can have weight to keep it weighted down. These are chicken street tacos with cheese. They're so good. And then obviously I put sour cream and lime on them. I had cranberry juice with pineapple drink over here, and my kids stole it. So,
Mama.
yeah.
Mo.
I think I'm going to start focusing on making YouTube videos. I talked about it a little bit in my Get Ready With Me. Post that and you'll see that. But I'm just absolutely loving doing YouTube content. It's so much funner and more creative for me. I think I'm going to start focusing more on YouTube content. And I kind of want to turn my TikTok stuff into outfit content. I don't know, I'm loving it. Like, it's like, I feel like everything this week has just been falling into place for me. And everything, like, that I've been praying about is coming to, like, light, maybe. That I enjoy making and that I love. And doing the outfit content, or is it fashion? Fashion content over on TikTok has been really, really fun for me. Enjoying that. And I'm enjoying making more daily life content
Mama,
and things on YouTube.
I got truck.
We got a skid steer for Christmas and like a toy one. And he's talking about it. Look, last taco. And I really just want to make content that I enjoy making, so I don't get to where I get burnt out. Doing my first YouTube video made me realize like how much I enjoy doing YouTube videos over TikTok videos. But in TikTok, I'm loving doing the fashion content. So I'm going to continue doing just the things that I love and see where it takes me. Really excited about it. I really should show y'all the setup. Glass cup so I can hold my phone. Seasoning, in the cup, so it's like weighted down in my phone.
And a tiger immediately shot out from the trees.
I don't know what I was gonna say. I was gonna say something.
Around her and dragged her off the road. Her
This
family
weather
and
here in the
car
south
screamed
is
as she disappeared behind
making me
the
so
bushes,
excited for
and her
spring and
mother
summer.
jumped out to save her, running straight toward the
I used to be
tiger.
such a
Another one
die-hard
ran at her from
fall
the side and began to maul her
and
as she
winter
lay
girl.
on the ground. A
Through and
ranger
through.
raced
Fall and winter girl.
in a jeep,
And then
honking
I
at the
lost
tigers,
weight
forcing them back long
in
enough to reach the daughter. She survived with
last
serious
summer,
injuries.
2025, was my first summer being not as big, because I went through a weight loss journey and lost like 100 pounds. And after getting smaller, I realized like how miserable being bigger was in the summer, because it's so much hot, like so much hotter. And after being smaller in the summertime, being able to actually enjoy summer, loved it. So now I'm just a spring summer girl. Now I know what y'all always talk about, because everybody's always talking about loving summer so much and being so depressed in the winter. I understand y'all now. I do. I never would have thought I was going to be a summer girl. I'm more of a spring girl than summer girl, but... So yeah, I'm so excited for this new season in my life. I could cry getting into it, but... This video is going to contain quite a bit, I guess. I guess my whole weekend and into Monday, because Monday I go to get my driver's license. I'm so excited. I'm scared. I'm really scared. But I hope I pass. I really hope I pass. I don't have a driver's license. I have a driver's license. It has restriction, an age restriction. So I just have to go take my driving portion of the test, and then I'll be good. So I'm really scared. Hoping I pass, and then once I pass, I feel like I can make better content because I can go do things. I'm not stuck at home. I'm so excited, because then we can do like, I want to do 7 Brew and Yap videos. I want to do little mukbangs in the car.
Hey, you can go outside and ask her.
Not right now. We will in a little while.
Not yet.
Not yet. I'm very excited. I'm so excited for this next chapter. I feel like this year's just going to be so good. It's going to be so good. Last year was really, really good for me. The first half of last year was really good for me. Second half, not very good, because I met a boy. The boy stole my happiness. But I'm back. Yay. God is so good. God is so good. So, I'm going to stop yapping because I feel like I've been yapping forever. Sorry about that. I'm getting more comfortable being in front of a camera. For sure. For sure, for sure. So, prepare to be sick of me. They're very, very annoying. Sorry. Try to see what my goat's doing. Just gonna fold it up and keep it so we can reuse it if we have another hole for it. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with our goat's barn. We are gonna keep the one on the top just because that's a lot of work to bring them up. I'm gonna keep the one of the fried chickens too. Just because it's a lot of work to put them back up. These are just 2, so it's gonna be easy. And yeah. Now I'm gonna go put these in the barn. Egg. I don't even have to clean this. It's already clean. Like, it's not dirty at all. Yay! We actually cleaned out the other side of the goat barn, and I just found this in here.
Oh! Shit!
That would be a duck egg. It's a duck egg. Perfect. A gun. Gun. We never get duck eggs just out here. They're normally in the coop. She normally like lays them at night or something like that. And we haven't been getting them at all. I guess because it's been cold, but we have one. Add it to my collection. Look at all of them. They're sunbathing. Look at all of my friends. Now really I just gotta change some waters out. So that's easy. I came out here prepared to clean the whole barn, but it's not even dirty. There's literally not even any poop in there. If there is, it's like one little poop, and there's no point in cleaning it if it's not dirty. Wasting good stuff. Oh.
Huh?
No.
Why?
He has a net carrying it around saying he's going to catch a chicken so we can cook him up.
Come here! Come here, goat!
Country boys, right?
Goat.
Big one by myself. Normally I wait for my mom back. Good morning. We're about to get ready and go to a new donut shop we found. They're supposed to have really good donuts and coffee. So, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping. Mama girl. Okay, I got my makeup done and now it's time for an outfit. I'm gonna wear my sparkly gold dude shoes. We just got back home. Now my mom's going to get her nails done and we're going to go for a walk. Come on! I love going on walks so much. It's so fun. Told y'all our little cat follows us. Look at it. followed us all the way through. It's crazy. Now I'm about to go get my lashes done. I think I'm going to go with a more classic look this time. I want a little bit more natural. So, yeah, I will show you how it looks after. Okay, and here they are. I love them so much. This one is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. Guys, I take my driver's test tomorrow. I'm terrified. I'm so scared. I already have like the adult type permit where I have a driver's license. It just has a restriction on it. So all I gotta do is do the driving portion of the test and pass that, and then I'll have my driver's license. But I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I don't want to fail. I've been practicing for a long time, so I should get it. But like, what if I don't? You know? It has took me long enough to film this video. It's been literally like 3 weeks since I took my driving test, and I passed. So I have my driver's license, and I just forgot to finish this video off.
Mama.
Sorry about that.
Mama, I'm going to Gigi.
Not right now.
Huh?
So yeah, I took it and passed it the first time. It was really easy. My driving person that sat with me was very nice and super sweet. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I need to get back into filming videos. I haven't filmed a video in so long. I mean, this took me literally freaking a month to make. For what reason? Because my driving test went sideways, and then I was going to stop and just wait until I finished, and then I never picked up the camera again to finish the video off. So this is me finishing it off. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time, hopefully.